straight up. Just getting that white gone. Straight into the blue. Okay, I know I've got to work on that bit and probably a bit more there, but I'm enjoying it, so I'm just going for it. I've got a habit of keep wiping the brush on my trousers that I'm wearing rather than on a okay, I might lightly try and go through that all in one. Let's go straight up now and just sort of really mix them together. Now I've got most of that white out, I think it's best to sort of do that after. I think it needs a little bit more white along here, like the tiniest bit, because there's already some there, but I like the way it goes into both the colours. Maybe just a little bit here. Thank you, Mazikeen. Thank you for new followers, thank you for likes. Don't forget to check out my link underneath my profile picture. Gifters, followers, thank you. Maybe a bit more up the top. Okay, let's just go straight through them then. Yeah, look, lift them up now. I like to do that first because that gives it more of a neater line. What do you think, guys? So I'm trying to do a mirror image basically, but again, because it's water, you can get away with stuff. Yeah, let's turn that upside down. Just makes it a little bit easier for me. I can't wait to blend this out for water. So this is like, doesn't have to be as neat as the top because it's going to be suggestions. I'm going to need some more white there. Who knows what it's going to end up like. Okay, let's go up here. Just doing this one quicker because, like I said, it's going to be in the water, and we're going to blend this all out, so it'll be all blended out. There we go. That oil moves. I wish I could show you closer. Do watch this one back on YouTube because when you look, you'll see how the oil moves. It really is fantastic how you can move paint around. Okay, so they're going to be the reflection ones. Cool, that looks like, oh, it looks like you could eat that. That looks like it's, that does look like it could taste a strawberry, doesn't it? Hang on a minute. No, I better not. Okay. It does look like a real deep strawberry milkshake flavour, like one of them sweets, whatever they are. So many ways you can make mountains. When I first started doing mountains, I got so confused on which way was which way, or you know, on how to make it look different every time. But sometimes just leaving a bit of dark in and just, you know, something like that, you can make it all one colour that side and just put streaks in the other side. There's so much you can do. Here we go, here we go. I'm glad I put that blue in. I like that sparkle there. I don't want to get rid of it too much. there. Look at that. I quite like that. Right, okay. I'm going to do it the other way, just a little bit. Really moving that paint about now. What do you think, guys? Very quick little painting, so satisfying. Yeah, the water is just, when I do the water, oh look, yes, it's water time. When I do the water, it's, I really look forward to that bit. I want to do it again, but I can't. I might do another one of them. Not now. But yeah, quite happy with that.